Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deepak and you are starting watching me on Deepak Thakur YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about my TCS interview experience. So let's start the video. I passed my graduation BTech in 2019 and I started working as an embedded developer in a startup based company, and in the mid of July I filled up the TCS registration form for off-campus drive. After 2 months guys, I got admit card for the examination, which is going to be held after 2-3 days. At the venue I went on the time. It was 2 hours exam, contains 5 sections. First one is aptitude, contains 25 questions, reasoning, programming logic and English, all contains 25 questions, and last and fifth section was coding section, contains 2 questions for 30 minutes. So guys, in aptitude sections you will find questions on time and work, profit loss, percentage, time and distance. These were the major topic on which 25 questions was covered. Again, in reasoning you will find questions on logical reasoning, verbal ability, and the English section covered direct, indirect, active, passive, paragraph, punctuation, spot the error, correct the sentence and pronunciation. And the last question was coding section, contains 2 questions. You have to complete them in 30 minutes of time frame, and you can choose any one of language on which you have your command, like C, C++, Python. So guys, I choose Python, and questions were on, one was student grading system, and second question was there was a string, we have to calculate the total number of vowels in the string. So this was all about my examination, and after 1 month of waiting time I got a mail that I have succeeded in the exam and I have to appear at the interview location, which was in a college. So guys, I prepared for the same, and at the interview day I went at the college, where I see ki there were around 25 to 30 tables in a corridor. On every table there were 2 persons each. So after 2 hours waiting time I got my chance, and I sit in front of, there were 2 people on the table. One of them started reading my resume, and second one asked me to introduce myself, and after that they asked some questions on my resume, like so what you have done in your projects and studies. So one of them started question me on my resume, okay, like where you studies these codings, because you have a background of electronics, and what you have done in your project. And after that they asked me question on simple based on programming language like C and C++, the difference between C and C++, and in C++ he asked me from inheritance, polymorphism, and difference between virtual and pure virtual functions, because I have mentioned Unix into my resume. So he asked some simple questions from the Unix. So after 10 to 15 minutes my interview was over, and they told me to wait in the common room for the next announcement. So luckily I was selected in the technical round, and for the final HR round there was a one person sitting on the table, and he described some policies of the company and asked me one question, can you relocate? Then I confirmed yes. So I left the venue, the interview was over. After waiting for 1.5 months I got a mail for the offer from the TCS. So guys, this is all about me, the interview experience in the TCS for a fresher. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have any kind of query, please drop a comment in the comment box. Please do subscribe and like my channel and support me guys. Thank you.